everyone, it's Melanie from Haute Hijab, and today is one of the most exciting tutorials. You guys always ask me how I wear hijab tucked into a turtleneck so neatly, and seeing that it's winter time, I thought this would be the perfect time to show you 3 different ways to work your hijab with a turtleneck. Alright, so before I get started, you saw that I'm wearing a pretty thin turtleneck. So the different hijab fabrics that I would recommend you wear with a turtleneck of this caliber is a chiffon or one of our silks. It can obviously be a square like I have on, or a chiffon rectangle would work as well. But if you are not into those fabrics and you only wear different fabrics like jersey or viscose, anything thicker than that, then I would just recommend you wear it over the turtleneck. It's not going to work if you tuck it inside because this is so thin and it's going to look really bulky around your neck. Let's get started. You'll see I have our Heritage Collection Ornate Gold on, and it is a square, so this is a square hijab, and what I've done is I have folded it into a perfect triangle and then pinned it under my neck right here. Alright, so once you have everything perfect, then you're going to take both sides, crisscross them around your neck, and then tie it in the back. Now here you really have 2 options. Either you can go for the really classic polished look and tuck all of the fabric inside of your turtleneck so you have a really clean look. Or what you can do is leave a little bit coming out. So basically you would just tie it in the back, then take these and bring them to the front. You can also even take out the rest of the hijab and bring it all towards the front if you want a really cute ruffly look on the side. This style works perfectly for professionals, particularly those who want a really polished look. For me as an attorney, I never wanted to fuss with my hijab. I wanted it out of the way. I didn't want it anywhere that it could get in the way. So I love to tuck it into either a collared shirt or a turtleneck, so it's perfect. It's also really perfect for those of you who are wearing a slimmer top with something a little bit more billowy on the bottom to create that perfect balance. I have a thicker turtleneck on. You can see that this is a chunkier turtleneck. It's got a lot more fabric here in the turtleneck part, and there's a lot more you can do with a bigger turtleneck. So I have on a viscose. With this turtleneck, you can really use any of our hijab fabrics. Chiffon, satin, any of our wovens, jersey, silks, anything will work with this turtleneck because it's big enough to allow any fabric to be tucked inside. Alright, so here I have on our viscose woven in Cafe au Lait, and as you guys know, I fold in about 5 or 6 inches, and then I put it around my face, and then I secure it with a pin underneath my chin. So once you have that and both sides are equal, I'm going to take both strands, again crisscross them under your chin, and then I'm just going to take the same knot and tie it in the back. But this time I'm only going to do it once. And now what you can do is you can either tuck everything in how you just saw it, or what you can do if you want to leave a little bit of fabric out is you can bring the turtleneck up, bring one side to the front, and keep one side in the back. So it really depends on the style that you're looking for, but you can certainly make your turtleneck work and have your hijab out at the same time. Or you can tuck everything in and just make sure you grab all that fabric in the back, tuck it in so there isn't a bulge in the back of your neck, and then you're good to go. Alright, for the third and final turtleneck look, I have a massive, this isn't even a turtleneck, this is a cowl neck. This is huge, this is literally, it doubles as a winter hoodie. It's crazy. I am going to show you guys exactly how to make your hijab look great under a big turtleneck like this. And same as the last style, you can use any hijab for this. This is massive, so any hijab will fit inside and it'll look really, really polished. It's perfect for winter because you'll be so warm and cozy. And I love to pair jersey because this is one of those sweaters where you just want to feel super comfy all day long. And jersey is the perfect fabric for that. It's like sweatpants for your head, as you all know. TM. By the way, TM, because I've been seeing that phrase out elsewhere. Sweatpants for your head, I said in a video maybe in like 2011. So same thing with viscose. I fold in about 5 to 6 inches of the jersey and then I make it perfect around my face. You don't need a pin here, so I don't have any pins. And keep in mind, I have a huge turtleneck on, so this is gonna be a little difficult. I'm gonna do my best. So what I do is I take one side, bring it over my head. And even with the other turtlenecks, by the way, if you style your hijab differently, like if you're somebody who loves this look where you put one side of your hijab over your head and then tuck everything in, like with the viscose before, you certainly can do that as well. So then I take the second strand over the first one into the front, and then I just tuck all of it in. And that way there's not a ton of fabric or bulk inside of your sweater either, because you wrap so much around your head and then around your neck as well. And this is really it. All right, that is all 3 turtleneck looks. I hope that was helpful for you guys. And now you are ready to become a hijab plus turtleneck master. With any turtleneck and any hijab that you wear, you'll be able to make it work all winter long. And if there are any other different types of clothing that you're wondering how to make work with hijab, let me know. I will help you through it all. Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time, inshallah. Take care, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.